Hello, great people. How are you, grade 8? We are continuing with our working. If you've not watched the previous video, you can watch it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. My name is Mr. Newlove. Okay, let's simplify the following. 3 over 6 times 3 over 4. This one, the next step is going to be 3 times 3. 3 times 3 over 6 times 4. 6 times 4. And 3 times 3 gives us what? 9. 4 times 6 gives us what? 24. We can simplify this one. Alright. Okay, let's see how you are going to do that. You can press this. 9 over 24. And what does it give you? 3 over 8. You got your answer. We can use a calculator to press to get this answer straight. But this one is saying we don't want you to use the calculator. We are learning both. Né? So let's use the calculator to press this, the whole of this to get this answer. First, you press this one. Then 3 over 6 times 3 over 4. See that we got the answer. So easy, né? But in exams, don't use the calculator to press it straight. You go through the steps. Alright. Okay, let's look at the next one. So it means this one is going to be 4 times 1. 4 times 1 over 8 times 2 is 8 times 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 times 2 is what? 16. Now let's see how we got this one. 4 divide 4, 1. 4 divide 16, 4. See how the calculator is going to give us 4 over 16. It gives us 1 over 4. Okay, let's use the calculator to get the answer straight. We are doing it together. 4 over 8 times 1 over 2. That is 1 over 4. See that we had 1 over 4 straight. Alright. Good. You are going to do this homework for me. Do this homework for me. Let's move on to the next step. Now, this one also, we are not using calculator. Alright. We use it wisely. Okay, I'm going to show you the 2. How did we get this 5? It's 1 times 3, which is 3, plus 2, which is what? 5. Let's use the calculator to get the same answer. You press shift, then you press this one. See, this shift control the red printing here. Alright, so you see this is this one, then this is that one. So if you press that, I'm going to press 1 at this side. So 1, move the cursor. We have the 2 here. Then you move it to this side, which is 3. Move it to the middle. 4. Then 4 whole number 3 over 5. So press shift. No, I don't want this one. I want that one. So shift. Yeah. Why? It's 1, 2, 3. So I have it 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to press 4 here. I move the cursor to this side. I'm going to press 3. Down. I'm going to press 5. If I press all, it gives me an answer here. Are we together? It's the same there. But we don't want you to use the calculator to get the answer. Eh? So I'm going to show you how to use here your mind. Combine with the calculator. Okay, so here, how did I get this 5/3? I press the shift, this one, then 1, 2, and 3. I have my 5/3. You can use the mind. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5/3. Then the second one, let's see how you are going to press this one. 4 whole number 3/5. Our 5, let's delete the 5. Let's delete all of them. So here, this is my 4. Are we together? And this is my 3. And this is my 5. I got 23/5. Alright? Then, you cross multiply. 5 multiply this, which is 5 times 5. Then 3 will multiply that one. 23, which is 23 times 3, or 3 times 23. Then the denominator is going to be 3 times 5. Then 5 times 5 is going to give us 25. 3 times 23 is 69 over 3 times 5 is 15. Then 25 plus 69 is 94/15. Can we simplify this? No. Press it on the calculator and let's see. Now, if I press 94/15, gives us the same thing. You don't change it, né? Okay. Let's see if we can do another one. We have another one here. How do we get this 26/7? 3 times 7 plus 5. Okay, let's press together this, shift, and that. So I'm going to press my 3 here. I'm going to press my 5. I'm going to press my 7. What does it give me? 26/7. Then plus, let's see how we are going to press this one. What do you press? Shift. Then I press my 2, 3, and 4. So this gives us 11/4. Then we cross multiply. So 26 times 4 plus 7 times 11 divided by 7 times 4 gives us this. Then 26 times 4 gives us 104 plus 7 times 11 is 77 over 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. Then this side, let's press this. So we have that 104 plus 77 over 28 gives us 81/428. Good. Now you do this homework for me. Let's see how we are going to do this one also. Now, the question says simplify this one. How did we get? We use what we call BODMAS, né? So our BODMAS, our B is a bracket. We don't have bracket. O is what? Off. Off means times, ne? Okay. Okay. So we are continuing. Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Ne? So here, off times. So we can deal with this times. So you see that I've written this 6 over 8 again. Then 4 whole number 2 over 3. Let me write it as a improper fraction. Alright, this is a mixed fraction. So it's supposed to be 4 times 3 plus 2, which will give us 14 over 3. Okay, let me show you how to use the calculator also. So here, shift that one. So I want to press 4. So 4 at this side. Move the cursor to this side. This is 2 over 3. What does it give us? 14 over 3. So this is our 14 over 3. Then plus our 5. I'll write the 5 again. Why am I dealing with this one but not this, and this? Because the board mark says division, from off division. Off division. So off, we are done with the off, the multiplication. Then division. Our division is this one. So we have to deal with it. So this 5 I'll write again. Then we find the inverse of this division is going to be multiplication. So it's going to be times. Then the 6 will go up and the 2 will come down. So this side must be 2 and this side must be 6. Alright. So 6 is 2 over 6. Because you change this division to multiplication, the 6 will go up to be a numerator and the 2 will come down as a denominator. Okay. Then let's press this on the calculator. We are not going to press all. We are going to press it this way. We have this. So let's press this one. We know how to do that one. Alright. So 6 times 6 times 6 times 14. No need to write plenty there, since you know the principle. So 8 times 3. So 8 times 3. What does it give me? 7 over 2. So this is my 7 over 2. I'm not done. Plus this one. We need to deal with this one. So how do we deal with it? Move your cursor back. Let's deal with the denominator. I'm going to write 2 here. I'll delete this and I'll write 6 here. So I have 6 times 2. Alright. And then the numerator is going to be 5 times 6. So let me have my numerator, which is 6 and 5. So it's going to be and 5. So it's going to be 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is this one, which is 5 over 2. So I'm going to write my 5 over 2. So this side is going to be 5 and this side is going to be 2. Okay. Now our last step. What is going to be our last step? Our last step is going to be this one. How is it going to be? We cross multiply, ne? So if we cross multiply, what are we going to have? 7 times 2. 7 times 2. Let me write my times here. 7 times 2.